Okay, girls and boys, today our target is I can count between 90 and 1,000 using ones, tens, and hundreds. And we're going to really focus on crossing over and back and forth between the hundreds. Okay, when we go from the 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, we need to get used to crossing over different levels of hundreds. So, first thing I'd like you to do, draw your tens bundles on your whiteboard.
Oh, you put your camera on. Good job.
Yes, Caroline. What? 'Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now, I want to count up to 300. So what is my next unit I'm going to count with? I want to get to a new benchmark. So I'm going to count by one more what? Whisper to your partner. Zoe? 10, because I'm going to go 10, and this will be what?
100.
100. Very good. $100. Now I want to go to 300. So what units can I count by now to make the easy jumps? Whisper to your partner. Alexa? So I'm at 100, then I can go 100, 200, 300. Very good.
300. I forgot to put that 100 blocks.
Now I want you to draw 170 using your blocks or your bundles. Grab one on the shelf right there. So let's count. We start with the big number 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. Now I want to go to 500. So I need to count by what still? Whisper to your partners. Easton? 10. So I'm going to go 180, 190, 200. Very good. I'm at 200. Now I can make big jumps. 200. Everyone. 300. 400. 500. Very good. Now, let's draw 200. Now I want to count to 432. Whisper to your partner, what's my first jumps I can take? What, Caroline? 100. So I go 200, 300, 400, but I want to get to 32. So now what should I count by? Whisper to your partner. Catherine? Tens. 410, 420, 430. And my thing is not working.
Let me help. I think I know. Frozen. Just tap again. The thing is glitching.
Yeah, it's glitching. Let's see if I can
And
write
then
it.
you lose one.
Now I'm at 430, but I need to get to 432. What do I need to count by now?
1.
So I have 431, 432. Now, when we start with that friendly number, we're at 200, which is a benchmark number. It's friendly, it's easy, it has 2 zeros in it. You can start with the highest unit and work down, right? But if your number has the 1s and 10s in it, you need to work from your backwards, from your 1s to your 10s to your 100s. Let's see an example. Oops, let's see if I can fix it. Yeah, this will give me lots of problems. Okay. I will have to go back to just drawing it. So we're going to cross this out. So let's start with the number 361. So 100, 200. Maybe if I draw it up here, it'll be better. 300, 310. 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 361. Now, to make it easier for us to count, we need to get to those benchmarks or friendly numbers, numbers with zeros in it. But we have numbers in the 10s and 1s. So first, let's try to count by 1s to get rid of those 1s to get to an easier benchmark number. So we have to count 361, 362, 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369, 370. Now, what can we count by?
10.
10s. We're at 370. Then we go 380, 390, 390, 390,
400.
400. Now we can make bigger leaps of
100.
100. So we're at 400. We go 500, 600. Guys and gals, it is easier to count with those larger units. Okay? You can count faster. But you have to get rid of the 1s and the 10s, right? To find those friendly numbers that have zeros in them, those benchmark numbers that make it easier for us to count. Yes, Mr. Zoya. So that is counting by hundreds, tens, and ones between 90 and 1,000.
Oh, yeah.